I was really fascinated to see that Paris was involved in the making of it. So what was her reaction to, how did that play out? Did you ask her, or did she want to?
I don't know how we came about to ask her, but I still can't believe that she let us film her house, and she's been just really helpful and supportive, and yeah, I appreciate that. And I loved getting to know her because I never met her before, and she's so different than I think what I would expect, kind of from her persona. And just to be in the real place, she showed me security footage of real kids.
Wow.
And her coming to do a cameo, I think, just makes the whole thing feel more authentic and real.
Yeah. And so was it kind of this idea that she was maybe a part, like, in on the joke, or there was, like, self-reflexive about it?
I feel like she's much more self-aware than you would expect. She has a sense of humor about the pillows in her house and herself, and so she's not taking it all seriously.
Cool. Do you have any celebrity obsessions?
Not obsessions. I'm trying to think, but I know when once in a while someone will stop me on the street and when I'm with my daughter, and she'll say, "Oh, Mom, you're famous," and get excited, and I just tell her, like, "Well, I worked really hard, and this person saw my work and enjoyed it." Like, I try to tell her, like, it's not like, but I think there's just this interest of, like, being famous as being something exciting.
Right.